Hi, I'm Lisa from Crewbooking. In this video, I will show you how to book a crew member. As soon as you publish a mission, you will be able to see it in your posts section, with the picture of your company page and all the information below. You can learn more about posting a mission in the dedicated video. Here, on the right, you can see the applications received for this job. Once a crew member applies to your mission, you will see his picture and his name. By clicking on it, you will have access to the entire profile with contact details. You will also be able to book him directly on the platform and add him in your shortlists or list of favorites. If you want to know more about shortlists, there is a dedicated video about it. If the profile of the candidate suits you, you can start the booking process by simply clicking on Book. And as you can see, the booking page will already be filled with all the information from your mission. However, you can still complete the eventual points left empty, such as the rate, for example. When your booking request has been completed, all you have to do is send it and the person is instantly notified. And your booking request is now pending, awaiting the person's response. We have a specific video about booking status if you want to know more. Once you have booked all the crew members needed for your mission, it is important to archive it to let people know the position has been filled, and also to no longer receive applications for this job. You can then see in the posts section that your mission is now marked as closed. Finally, note that a booking can also be made from scratch without being linked to a mission or job offer. It is indeed possible to simply book a crew member who is already part of your resources. You can do so via the booking section by clicking on New Booking, or by clicking on Book directly on the profile of the crew member you wish to book, accessible here or via your resources section. By doing it this way, you can see that this particular crew member is already tagged in the booking page. You then just have to complete the information left empty. Similar to creating a mission, you have to give it a title, specify the dates and shifts, and you can also specify the role, location, and rate. And add a comment if you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos for more tips on how to use Crewbooking.